In order to copy your master class or any other class over to your current class, click on your current class, and then on the left-hand side, all the way at the bottom, you'll see a button for packages and utilities. Go ahead and open that, and then go to class copy. So you want to select in copy type your master class, or I'm sorry, your materials. You can do an exact user.
3rd, 4th, and 5th grade FCCC to the gym. 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade FCCC to the gym.
You can do your materials into a existing class. You can do into a new class. For you already have an existing class, so click on that one. And then you have to find your master class. Click Browse, and then find the class that you want to copy over. So in this case, it would be your master class. So go ahead and click on that. If you hit Submit, and then you have to click on what you want to be carried over. I would suggest clicking on content areas. And then I would also suggest clicking on anything over here that you've used in the past. If you go ahead and click availability, banner image, and tasks, that should get you everything over from the previous one. And then go ahead and click submit. And once you do that, your class will be copied over with the theme and all.